I wanted you to see the results of my experience with the Camsoft Corp's CNC professional controller installed on a 2-axis lathe.
This is the lathe that the Camsoft controller is now hooked up to.
I'm using a keyboard with a touchpad because I found the mouse to be very unhandy. It'll stop information and then the operator is warned to change the tool. That was something I couldn't do with the Bandit, was to tell the operator to change the tool or keep a reminder on screen. So that's one of the real nice things about having a PC-based CNC, because you can make it do what you want it to do.